So the SOS is currently honed in on one light that was switched off. The second light has been switched on. And now let's see if it adjusts to the second light. So it's first adjusting its position in yaw, looking for a maximum, and it's a maximum in the voltage that is delivered by the solar cell. Once it has found that, it should switch over to adjustment in pitch. So apparently it found the optimum in yaw. Now it's moving in pitch. For each movement, it first does a coarse adjustment and then it does a fine adjustment. Okay, so it found its optimum. The purpose of this experiment is to figure out what degree adjustments are best to speed up the finding of the optimum. So it's now doing the next measurement to see what the time is to find a second light source. Again, first moving in yaw by coarse degrees. Okay. So it noticed that it found that it received less voltage over there, so it inversed directions. And now it has switched over to fine adjustments in yaw. Once it finds the optimum here, it'll switch over to pitch. Okay, now it has moved over to pitch. It'll do that again and again. And the aim of this series of experiments is again to figure out what are the best, or what are the parameters, the variables for the degrees of coarse and fine adjustments in yaw and pitch, so 4 variables altogether, that would allow the SOS to find the optimum as quickly as possible.